And welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to prime and glue PVC pipe. First, let's make sure we have all the necessary materials. You'll of course need your PVC pipe, your fitting, your primer, and your PVC cement. So first, we'll apply the primer. The primer is important because it softens the PVC and helps the glue bond more effectively. So you're going to open the primer can and dip the applicator into the primer. Apply the primer to the inside of the fitting first. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Then, apply the primer to the outside of the PVC pipe. Again, ensure complete coverage. Now, let's apply the glue. You need to work quickly because the glue dries fast. Open the PVC cement can and dip the applicator into the glue. Apply the glue to the inside of the fitting first, just like you did with the primer. Then, apply the glue to the outside of the PVC pipe. Make sure to cover the entire primed area. With the primer and the glue applied, it's time to assemble the pipe and fitting. Immediately after applying the glue, insert the pipe into the fitting. Push and twist the pipe a quarter turn to ensure an even distribution of glue and a strong bond. Hold the pipe and fitting together for about 30 seconds to ensure they bond properly. You may feel some resistance, but that's a good sign that the glue is working. And there you have it, a properly primed and glued PVC joint. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tutorials.